Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Govee lights with the app. So what you want to first do is actually have the Govee Home app installed, create an account, and then once you actually go into the app itself, you're going to come across multiple tabs. So the only tabs that I use are the Home tab, Device tab, and Automation tab on the upper left hand side. Click on Device, and then click on the plus sign on the upper right hand corner, and your phone should automatically scan for new Govee devices. So as you can see, I have the air filter device nearby, so all I have to do is click on that blue add button, and then the air filter is going to be connected to my Govee Home app. So this makes it very easy to actually add new Govee devices to your phone. Again, just simply clicking on the device tab on the upper left hand corner and then clicking the plus sign should allow you to actually add more Govee devices. So Govee makes it super easy to actually go ahead and connect multiple devices to the Home app. I've connected maybe just over 10 Govee products to the Govee Home app, and I've had no problems with it whatsoever. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.